So I'm gonna go now to filleting the salmon, and I have two. So I show you one, and then there's another one. I'll let you, whoever wants to fillet salmon. So watch, follow step by step, and then one of you guys or even two can come up and fillet the other one. Okay? I saw it on the picture. Some people fillet salmon from this side. I find it easier when you have the salmon facing, back of the salmon facing you, and then you can lift the belly part. Okay, so have a flexible knife is good, because the more flexible knife, because you follow the bone line. Okay, if it's a very stiff knife, you cannot bend it, and then you have a lot of offcuts. Right? So have a flexible knife, so you can follow the bone line. You can feel when you press it against the bones, you can feel it, right? So just make sure you press it slightly against the bone. So you start at the head, and we don't cut straight down because there is a lot of meat in here as well. So before you cut, you actually go in a 45-degree angle. You just cut it towards the head like this. So you're gonna hold the belly part up because we're gonna follow the bone line this way. If you don't lift the belly, you will cut it off, right? So lift it. I'm gonna show this a bit. So you can see the spine, you can see the back fin. So you just follow the line here, the bone line. The bones are very soft, so they're easy to cut through. But of course you need a sharp knife. If it's a knife which is very blunt, you rip the meat, you rip the bones because it doesn't cut the bones. Then you break the meat and it doesn't look very nice later. Especially when you do sashimi, it looks terrible. Okay? So it has to be a sharp knife. And always lift it. I mean, when I follow the bone line, if you go straight, the knife has to be in a light angle, because if not, then you have a lot of meat left here. So that's very important. When you cut it, you hold it in a light angle and push it against the bones, right? So follow the bone line like this. And then I normally take the head off because it makes it easier to fillet the other part. See, we take all the meat out here. If you cut straight up, you have about 2-3 centimeters of meat in here. So try to go into the head, take it out, don't leave it on there.